Okay, let's proceed with the second problem. So, there's the problem 1, if you notice, isa lang to kawal, no? 3 by 4. For this example, we have a kuan. We have a fence. Kung saan man na to. So, by fundamental method or area method, bisa kung saan lang ang gamiton. By the fundamental method, diba? Ang first step is ang height, total height, divide nimo sa height of the kuan, CHP. So, for the number of layers, we have 2.6 meters divided by 0.2 meter, which is the height of a single CHB. So, for this, we have 13 layers. Now, we need to know the number of CHB per layer. So, you just divide the length, not the total length, over the length of 1 CHB. Now, karon ato ning isolve si total length. Ang total length, kung mong tan sa plan, no, we have 4 meters diri, 20, and then kani siya, pila man siya, that is a total of 4 plus 4 plus 4. So, we have 12 meters. Ay, naman diri, no, it is given. And then, this is also 20 meters. So, the total length di is the perimeter. So, we call that the perimeter. And then we divide that with the length of 1 CHP. Okay, so pila man si perimeter? Perimeter is, so we have 4 meters plus 20 meters. Let me erase these brackets, braces. Plus the 12 meters plus 20 meters plus the 4 meters. Then you divide that with the 0.4 meter. That is 60 meters divide 0.4 meters. And then for this one, we have 150 CHB per layer. So step 3 is we just multiply the number of layers with the number of CHB per layer. The total CHB that we need, we have 13 layers times 150 CHB per layer, 150 pieces per layer. And for this example, they need taog 1,950 CHBs to complete the project. Ano na siya. And then if we add a 2% allowance, overall that is 1,989 pieces of CHB to complete the project. Considering lugar ni mga wastage, no? Mga factors. This is for the fundamental method. Now for the area method, dali na po siya. You just get the perimeter. So the perimeter is 60 meters. And then the height is 2.6 meters. You just get the area of the wall. The area of the wall is just equal to the perimeter times the height. So that is the 60 meters times 2.6 meters. The area is equal to 156 square meters. Now we just multiply that with the factor, with the number of CHB is, so we have the area 156 square meters times the 12.5 CHB or pieces per square meter. I'll eventually arrive with the same answer with 1,950 CHB. And if you add the 2% allowance, you'll arrive as well with the same answer, 1,989 989 pieces. So take note ha, kaning wasted allowance na to for the CHB, di na siya required nga 2%, 3%, 2.5. Depende na on your judgment. Okay, for this example, no, 2% is additional of 39 pieces. Depende na siya. Eh, para po di masayang no ang pan. Di po ba gastuhan og ayo ang client. Kasi hindi nga, you have this 2% allowance, pero daghan na di kayo. Okay na day, no? So, you need to also to balance that. Okay, this is for the problem 2. Next, we proceed with the problem 3. Si problem 3, medyo nato siya dugang gamay. So, we're going to solve that in the next video.